What's up, traveler?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony. And today we are here in Thailand! Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
Subscriber! Gagala na naman tayo! This time, pupunta tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand! First time namin magkasama na pupunta ng Thailand, pero nakapunta na kami ng Thailand. Si Chab Eka sa Phuket, ako sa Bangkok, pero way back 14 years ago pa, ang tagal na. So kaya excited kami bumalik na Thailand
para kumain.
Kasi masarap talaga yung Thai food. May mga Thai food naman sa Pinas, pero iba talaga pag authentic yon. And mura yung pagkain sa Thailand. So, hindi siya ganun kamahal kagaya ng Japan. Pero one of the most sought after cuisine sa buong mundo ang Thai food. Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! What's up, travelers?
What's up?
Dito na naman kami sa airport, and this time we're traveling to
Thailand!
And excited kami kumain ng mga food sa Thailand. Story time, na traffic kami papunta dito. Our flight is at 12 midnight. So 11:30 ang boarding time. So we have to be here 4 hours before the flight at least, diba? Umalis kami from way south ng past 4
PM. Tapos magsa-7 na nasa road pa rin kami.
Sobra yung traffic. As in, hindi siya halos gumagalaw. Kahit malapit na kami sa airport, hindi talaga siya gumagalaw. So, medyo kinabahan na kami. But, good thing we were able to come here. Dito kami sa airport nag-park. So, that's, I think, 300 per 24 hours yung parking dito sa airport. So, in case sandali lang kayo mawawala, pwede kayo mag-park dito sa airport ng 300 for every 24 hours.
After toll gate, papunta ng airport, alos ayaw lang gumalaw. Medyo nababad mood na ako. Ate Chona na.
Siya Ate Choni, Ate Chona na siya.
Kasi nga na-stress ako. Ito ang pinakaayaw ko, malilate ako sa flight, sa airport. So, sa immigration, 1 hour kami pumila. So, pag silip ko, akala ko konti. OFW na pila pala yun. So, yung tourist, regular tourist, ang haba. Kasi nasa dulo na siya talaga.
Malapit na sa labas.
Oo, malapit na sa labas. Malapit na dun sa pinaka-entrance. Wala na namang tanong. So, sabi lang niya kailan babalik.
Mabilis na trip lang to Bangkok, Thailand. Samahan niyo kami. Tara!
Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
Going to the boarding gate. Going to the boarding gate. Board shorts?
Board gate!
Board game? Boarding gate.
And this is a public service announcement. 116 is nasa super dulo sa mga nawawala at hindi mahanap ang gate 116. We're boarding.
Boarding ang init.
Mandatory. We're boarding shot. Let's go.
high pitch. Teka pa akyat. Let's go story time. Grabe yung flight na to.
I think it's the worst.
Yes.
In terms of turbulence.
And this is our 9th travel outside of the country na ewan.
First time ko, I threw up. Sobrang hilo dahil grabe yung turbulence talaga. Iba tong flight na to.
Parang titigil siya ng 2 minutes, ito na naman. Tapos, may time pa na nasa lavatory ako. Kumakalag-shoot. So, hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko. Itutuloy ko ba? Tatayo ba ako?
But we're here now. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand!
And we're safe!
Yes, we're safe.
Ayun. So, siguro pag-uwi, ewan ko yung route yata na to talaga.
Baka.
Kasi before, first time ko rin dito, grabe din yung turbulence nung pag-uwi namin. As in, para kaming bola na binato-bato. So, eto na naman. Ayun. So, tignan natin pag-uwi. So, we're walking to the immigration area.
Yay!
Ganda na airport nila.
Yes. Pero ang haba ng lakad.
Sobra.
Ang layo pa na pupuntahan namin. But let's go. Kaya natin to. So, done with immigration.
So, mabilis lang kasi nauna nga kami.
Maganda pala din tong gantong oras kahit medyo antok-antok ka kasi wala masyadong tao, walang pila sa immigration. So, paglabas ng immigration dito sa mga belts, meron na ditong ATM. So, mag-withdraw na muna kami before we get our bags kasi our bags are way there pa sa belt number 8. So, let's go ATM withdrawal.
The charge is 220 baht. Yung ayun. So, hey, we have money.
And then our ATM. Yeah. Done with ATM withdrawal. Next is
SIM card or the bags?
Yeah, let's get our bag first. Let's go!
Let's go!
Napakalaki ng airport nila, guys. And ang haba na nung nilakad namin. So, kakadating pa lang namin, nakaka 1,000 plus steps na kami.
Actually, hindi pa rin ako nawawala ng pag-asa sa Pilipinas sa magiging ganito yung airport natin.
Sana.
Sa dami ng airport na napuntahan namin. So, sana, soon, maging ganito rin yung airport natin sa Pilipinas.
They have a really nice airport. Look at that. Take the elevator to the 4th floor. The departure hall. We're looking for K to get our SIM card. So dito siya sa taas, sa 4th floor, sa may departure hall. Ito na, we found it. So there is a Klook booth here. So we're at the Klook counter to get our SIM card. Hello, picking up SIM card. So we already got our SIM card. Sobrang dali lang, as in, inabot lang niya. Pinakita ko lang yung QR code and then inabot niya, that's it. So if you also want to book your SIM card via Klook, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers
to get a discount on your booking. And we'll put the link below if you want to book your SIM card also via Klook. So we already have our SIM card here, and as usual, we're gonna use our trusty pocket Wi-Fi for the SIM card.
let's see kung gagana ulit. Sa Singapore, wala ka problema.
Yeah, we got a 5G SIM card. I think this is 50 gig.
That is good for
10 days.
10 days.
Yeah, pero ano lang kami dito.
Quick. This is a quick trip.
Weekender lang to. Okay, so we'll turn it on. And okay, so may signal na siya. We'll just check our phone. Kung madidetect na niya yung SIM card or yung Wi-Fi natin. So yes, got our Wi-Fi.
Yay, we're connected.
And yeah, so we're good, we're connected. So now that we got our SIM card, we were able to withdraw. We're now gonna book a Grab to get to our hotel. So it's currently 4 na. So it's currently 4:06 a.m.
Thailand is an hour behind Manila.
Yeah, so 5 a.m. na
5
sa Manila. 4 a.m. dito. Magbook lang kami ng Grab. So, magbubook kami ng Grab to get to our hotel. We went to level 1. Nandito yung mga public transport. Lumabas kami sa exit. Entrance 4 siya. Kasi nasa labas na kami. So, entrance siya. So, right in front of that,
mga taxi and Grab pickup point.
Dito, mga taxi. Madami na dyan. But, we're gonna go there to the Grab pickup point.
Let's go!
So, dito kami magbubook ng aming Grab to get to our hotel. Just booked our Grab. So, we're waiting for our Grab here at the Grab pickup point. So, madali lang siya hanapin, guys. Baba lang kayo sa ground floor. And then, there's a big Grab booth. Sobrang init.
27 degrees, but parang feels like 45.
27 daw. Ano ka? Ang init. Sobrang init, guys. Parang 30.
No, 27, pero feels like 45.
Pinapawisan na kami. Here's our Grab. Thank you, sir. Let's go. On our way to the hotel.
Yes, I think it's 45 minutes away from the airport.
Yeah.
Kasi medyo nasa central tayo.
Yes.
Yun lang, titingnan namin kung may train. Pero based sa napanood namin sa ibang vlogs, walay. So malayo kami sa train, pero may Grab naman.
Yeah. So tara, tsapay-tsapay tayong gumala dito sa Bangkok.
Let's go!
We're at hotel, sleep within. Let's go. So, mabilis ang room tour. Upon entry, bed agad. As in. Tapos, meron namang phone and may socket sa tabi ng bed. At they only have one bedside table or nightstand. Meron daw maliit na working table. Tapos, yung socket mo is nandito na sa lamp. AC. Medyo luma, medyo mainit ngayon. And this is the toilet. Well, outside yung lababo mo. And this is your shower. Medyo luma siya, but then again, we're only gonna stay here to sleep. And the rest of the day, we're out. There's a TV, there's a fridge. Luma din na safety deposit box. So, meron din ditong closet space, storage. So, ayan. That's our room here. It's sleep within.
Ayun, I was here way back 2018. and 10 yata or 11. Pero sobrang nabago na yung Causan Road. Hindi ko na natanda yung ibang building. Before open na open to, pero may puro hotel. Yun. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nandito ako dati.
Saka may mga shops. So dito kami, doon kami nagstay sa hotel kung saan nagstay si Tony decades ago. Hindi, lang alam.
Oo, totoo decades.
Well, yeah. So,
Ang ni Ronald McDonald.
naghahanap lang kami ng kakainan. Let's go. So there are a lot of stores sa tabi ng hotel namin. Very nice. Tsaka kainan, no? So we are in a very good location. Madaming kainan. Madaming massage. May mga shops for clothes. Kung maubusan kami. Tok tok. Tok tok. Diba? Very nice. Very good location for us.
Loko.
We ride tuk-tuk, how much? 100. Going to J5. Okay. We're riding our first tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk here in Bangkok.
Going to J5.
We're going to J5 right now and we're in a tuk-tuk. So from the street of our hotel going there is 100 baht. Nag-decide na rin kami na ngayon na mag-tuk-tuk kasi medyo mura lang dahil malapit lang. Kasi mahal din mag-tuk-tuk daw dito. This is J5. Medyo mahaba yung list. We don't know if we can still make it. And kung kaya pa ng mga tiyan namin.
Hindi pa kami nagbe-breakfast kasi pagdating sa hotel, nag-sleep agad kami.
Yeah.
Sleep agad.
So that's J5. Sobrang haba ng pila kay J5. So baka we won't eat there na lang. So failed kami kay J5. Pero there's this pad thai na Michelin guide. Near lang, it's a 9-minute walk. So lalakad namin ngayon. So we can go there. Medyo gutom na rin kami. At
Yes.
di pa kami nagbo-breakfast.
Pero nagselba sa akin yung ice gems. Kasi nagdala ng ice gems nung team building nung weekend. Salamat sa'yo.
Ay, nahanap na namin. Wait lang. Kaya pa? So, nilalakad lang namin tong way. Actually, nice siya. Oh. It's parang garden, parang park. Oo. Yeah, hindi siya ganun kainit din. Medyo cool naman yung breeze. Kasi may garden. So, ito na nga.
Hindi namin kinaya yung paglalakad.
Sabi ng vlogger na napanood namin, 5-minute walk lang daw. Hindi totoo. Malayo pa.
Sa amin, mga 20 minutes. Buti sana akong malamig. Ang init.
Parang hindi din siya talaga 5 minutes. Ang layo pa eh. So, nag-grab na kami. And yung, kahit yung grab, malayo pa rin. Parang more than 1 kilometer pa yata yung layo niya. So, oh well. Ang grab namin is 89 baht. Para lang makakain. At gutom na talaga kami. But this is an adventure. It's fun. So far, kahit mainit, we're enjoying ourselves.
Expected naman talaga na mainit.
Yeah. Ayun. Huwag kayong gagaya sa akin, huwag kayong magbablock. Mainit. So, we're gonna try the pad thai here in Phai Ta Lu. Let's go. So, this is Phai Ta Lu. And Michelin Guide. 5 years. Michelin dito.
We need to go upstairs. I'm here.
Okay. Thank you. So, here's the menu. Oh, parang ang sarap nito.
Ayun nga din ako.
Masarap din kung parang may pork belly. So, they also have chicken. They have shrimp.
After 2 minutes or 3 minutes grab ride, so nandito na kami. Hindi namin kinayang maglakad, but we are excited to try their food because this is Michelin Guide since 2018.
6 years.
So 6 years. So 2019 pala, 2019, 6 years. So I ordered the chicken pad thai and Chub Echo ordered the pork barbecue pad thai. And Pepsi Max.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Pepsi can man. Char.
This is the pork barbecue pad thai.
Chicken sauce.
And this is the chicken pad thai. For the barbecue pad thai, so ayan siya, the pork barbecue. Put it on the side first. And this sauce daw is for the pork. And ayan. Very rich in flavor. Well, di ko pa alam talaga yung actual flavor, pero ay sangkap. Nalalasa. So, yung chicken same din. Chicken lang yung nasa ibabaw niya. So, let's try it.
So, ito yung sauce ng chicken. So, I ordered the chicken pad thai. So, ayun. Let's try muna yung pad thai without any sauce. Ang sarap! Savory. Hindi siya spicy. And tamang-tama yung balance ng mga flavors. Sarap niya.
Try the chicken.
Yung chicken, try natin. Hindi ko muna lalagyan ng sauce. Tingnan naman.
Oh, there's a reason why there are Michelin guides.
Smoky, savory, and sobrang lambot ng chicken. You should try this Pad Thai Lu restaurant here in Dinsu Road.
So this time, try naman natin yung
Pork.
Kita ng lighting dito, guys. Pakita mo. Ito. Oo, diba? Para kang nasa interrogation. So, nakita ko yung egg and then yung green onion. So, try it. Ay, tanggalin ko muna yung sauce. Let's mix it with the ang tataba ng ang tataba ng bean sprout nila dito.
Ako hindi ko muna hinalo para malasa.
Sige, tama-tama. Ako din. Try natin without any mix.
Sarap.
Konting-konti pero ang flavorful niya, ha? Ayan natin.
Curd with lemon saka bean sprout.
Oo. With the lime and then bean sprout.
Or lime pala, lemon. Sarap. Level up yung lasa.
Lasang-lasa ko yung tamarind kaya yung ginagamit sa pad thai.
Tamarind.
Tamarind base. And then sakto lang yung flavors niya. Yung sweetness and yung alat niya. And then let's try the pork barbecue. Ang sarap niya. Napaka-rich. Sobrang good. Ayan, look at that. Sarap. Very good. I'm glad we ate here.
Yeah.
So, kain lang kami.
Done with lunch. Sobrang sarap niya.
OMG, that was an epic first meal here.
In Thailand.
Napakasarap. Sobrang yung flavors talaga we'll try to be food vloggers for 1 minute. Bursts in your mouth yung flavors. It's a party in your mouth. Basta lahat ng isipin nyo kung ano yung pinakamasarap na pad thai na natikman nyo. 100 times better. It's really that good.
Ay, grabe. Ang hirap i-describe kasi kailangan yung matikman para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung sinasabi namin.
Yeah, and each dish costs 250 baht.
The shrimp is ata yung pinakamahal, 360 baht.
Tapos yung soda is 25 baht. Not bad.
Not bad at all for a Michelin Guide restaurant.
Yes. So, may nakita kami na Satay. May nakita kami nag-iihaw dun sa harap. So, try natin. Punta kami dun. Let's go! 7-Eleven muna before the satay. Yung water sa 7-Eleven, feeling ko pa beer kasi 'di ba beer yung brand na yan. 10 baht. So, mas mura dito ang tubig kaysa sa Singapore at sa Dubai. Malamang. So, ayun, may mga street food doon pero nabusog na kami.
Busog na kami, hindi ko na kaya. Hindi talaga kami pwede mag-food vlogger. Kasi isang kain pa lang busog na.
Akala ko kaya ko pa pero busog na ako. Pero ayun siya, yung mga skewers niya, may pork, may chicken, tapos mga 10 baht per stick.
10 to 20. So, mura siya talaga. Tapos meron akong gusto i-try doon, yung drink na famous dito sa Thailand, yung Cocoa, Condense, and Evap. Pero hindi ko rin talaga kaya, busog na ako. So, siguro later.
Good luck sa banyo.
Coco.
Okay, baka mamaya pag may nakita pa kami or sa iba. So, right now, we're gonna go to a mall. I don't know which mall.
Is it Icon? Platinum?
We don't know yet. Magbubok kami ng Grab papunta doon sa mall.